Welcome back to PC Error Detective. Today, we're going to show you exactly how to back up laptop data on Windows 10. Step 1. Connect your external hard drive to your laptop. This will be the place where all your backup files will be stored, keeping them safe in case something happens to your computer. Step 2. Open File Explorer and click on This PC from the left panel. This lets you see all your drives and makes it easier to find your external hard drive. Step 3. Click on the search bar at the bottom, type Control Panel, and press Enter. The Control Panel is where Windows lets you manage many system settings, including backups. Step 4. At the top of Control Panel, click the arrow next to the path and select all Control Panel items. This will show all the available settings so you can find the backup options easily. Step 5. Click on Backup and Restore. This feature in Windows 10 allows you to create a copy of your files and important data. Step 6. Click on Setup Backup on the right side. This will start the process of choosing where and what to back up on your laptop. Step 7. Select your external hard drive as the backup destination and click Next. Choosing the correct drive ensures your data will be saved in a secure location. Step 8. Let me choose to select specific files and folders, then click Next. This gives you control over which documents, pictures, or libraries you want to include in the backup. Step 9. Select the folders, libraries, or drives you want to back up, then click Next. Make sure to include all files you consider important so nothing is lost. Step 10. Review your backup settings and click Save Settings and Run Backup. Windows will now start copying your files, and you can watch the progress as it runs. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective for more helpful Windows tips.